fancy.
So as much as I love the convenience of wigs, this video is actually going to be about clip-in extensions. My long-time experience with them, I actually prefer them over wigs now because they have actually saved my life when it comes to my hair on a regular basis. But these are the clip-ins I got from Toallmyblackgirls.com. I'll have the links down below. You can check them out. I will show you the two most common ways that I actually wear these clip-ins. The first one that you're actually seeing me doing is pinning my twist up. I have the perimeter and right in the center where my parting will be, that is twisted and ready to go. And I just start installing them just like this, right on top of the pins and my twist and everything. And I just find this way of doing it quicker and easier when I don't want to take all of my twist out or if I don't have time to do so. So this is the final look when I'm done. It looks like this, very natural. The only thing I don't like about doing it this way is just the length of my hair. It doesn't cover as well, and then my ends are the same color as the extensions, so I may be dyeing my own hair and the extensions a little bit darker, so I will be showing you guys that next. But the other style that I actually prefer doing is actually taking all of my twist, and unfortunately I ended up braiding the front and the parting area, but I just take all of my twist down and I will put all of the clips or the clip ends in sections in my hair. I always start with the shortest first in the back, and then I move up to the longer pieces once I get closer to the top. Very easy, very simple. Even though I cut them this way, I just like this way of installing them a lot better. So if I do have the time to take them out, my twist out or my braid out, this is exactly what I do, and it looks so much more fuller. It looks more like a diva cut. If you guys are familiar with that here on YouTube, the diva cut, it just adds a little bit more length to my own hair. Well, not length, I'd say a little bit more fullness to my own hair. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do sleep in my clip-ins. It doesn't matter which one of the ways that I actually put them in, but I find it looks even more better when I actually twist my own hair with the extensions. So taking them out is very easy, and it just adds just a little bit more length in the top. I don't twist the bottom pieces or the back. I just really twist near the parting area and where my hairline is. So my experience with these clip-in extensions have been great. I honestly prefer this over wigs now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You probably want to check them out. And make sure you see the previous videos of these hair extensions. And I will see you guys in the next video.